Welcome to CSS Tutorials. Yeah, remember in the previous lesson we got a general introduction about CSS, and now in this video we are going to start with syntax of CSS. Yeah, a CSS rule set consists of selector and declaration blocks. So here this is the syntax of CSS: selector, open curly brace, property 1, value 1, semicolon, property 2, value 2. Right? Here must be the property 2, value 2. So this is where you can make a declaration of CSS, but in horizontally. Let me show you how you can do it vertically. So you can also select your selector, then open curly brace, then also close curly braces, then inside of these curly braces you have now to implement property 1 with value, also property 2 with value 2. So this is how you can implement the CSS in your web page. Yeah, you can also insert the property 3 with value 3. It depends on the number of properties you are going to use. So here, this is a description of our syntax. The selector points the HTML element you want to style. If we say selector, it's like it points the HTML element. For example, can be header. We know that header range from header 1 to header 6. Can be paragraph, can be form, can be text, can be input, and so on and so forth. So the selector, it points HTML element you want to style. Here the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons, as we have seen. So each declaration includes a CSS property name, and value. Also, we already seen how it works. So these property name and values are separated by colons. Yeah. Also, multiple CSS declaration are separated with semicolons, right? Semicolons. And declaration block are surrounded by curly braces. Yeah, we have seen it. And here there is an example that help you to understand well how CSS are declared or implemented. You see, this is an example. Here in this example, all elements will be centered aligned with red text color. To mean here, this P is our selector, means paragraph. Then we have to open and close our selector. Now we have to insert property 1, which is color with value red, right? We can also insert the text align with center. As we already said in this statement, we says that in this example all elements will be centered aligned. As you see, text align center with red text color. To mean color is the property and red is the value. So this is how we can use a CSS in our web page. So also this is the end of our today's lesson. I was all about syntax of CSS and how you can implement it in a web page. So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you in the next one, where we learn the multiple methods that can be used to implement or insert CSS in the web page. Thank you. Bye bye.